Hello everyone. Happy January 3rd. Today we celebrate chocolate-covered cherries, drinking straws, and the joy of sweet traditions. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry, more exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. It's National Chocolate-Covered Cherry Day. A decadent treat for sweet tooths. A great gift could be a gourmet cherry box, a chocolate sampler, or a dessert cookbook. Do you love this combo? Let's sweeten the comments. It's National Drinking Straw Day, celebrating the invention of sipping convenience. A thoughtful gift could be a reusable straw set, a quirky straw tumbler, or a straw-themed party kit. What's your favorite drink with a straw? Let's sip in the comments. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. It's Festival of Sleep Day. A playful reminder to rest and recharge. A sweet gift could be a sleep mask, a cozy pillow, or a calming tea blend. How do you catch up on sleep? Let's dream in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You'll find links to matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for February 1st to 5th. So you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching, everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.